distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor for me to address the Regional Forum for Promoting Blue Economic Cooperation. I think the China International Development Cooperation Agency for organizing this forum, which will play a critical role in promoting collaborations among countries of the region in the maritime sector. As you are aware, ocean is a shared lifeline, a source of connectivity and economic opportunities, a custodian of this vast marine resources. We hold immense potentials through the blue economy. The concept of the East today is that the growth of tomorrow is going to come from the East. The population is one parameter which you can judge by. Between China, other countries of the region, we have the largest population in the world. We hold immense potentials through the blue economy in areas such as sustainable fisheries, marine tourism, renewable energy, maritime technology. Yet this potential comes with great responsibility. Challenges like climate change, pollution require urgent and collective action to save this vital resource. Pakistan fully endorses the principle of sustainability, equity and collaboration. We have taken steps to enhance our blue economy, our formulation of national maritime policies and taking initiatives focusing on sustainable development and marine conservation and living Indus projects also reflect our resolve to protect ecosystems and combat pollution. Furthermore, under the Chinese-Pakistan Economic Corridor, Gwadar Port is being developed into a regional connectivity hub to enhance trade and maritime economy growth. Our partnership with China under the Belt and Road Initiative has fostered the knowledge exchange, technology advancement, marine conservation. I commend the Chinese International Development Cooperative Agencies for enabling sustainability into the Forum goals. China Global Development Initiative aligns with our shared visions of transnational collaboration, environmental stewardship. Ladies and gentlemen, the focus of this forum on capacity building and inclusion of nations in commendable. Pakistan stands ready to partner with all the stakeholders to promote marine cooperation and ensure that our region remains based on peace and progress and sustainability. I'm sure that the forum would pave the way for greater economical cooperation among members countries. I wish you success. Together, let us protect and promote our vital marine resources for our future generations. Thank you.